Hi, J.R. Fisher here. Hey guys, I want to talk to you about continuity. Now, this is a concept that it took me a long time to figure out too, but I'm telling you, if you do what I'm telling you to do, you'll have a nice steady income, because all of us, when we're selling stuff online, we have these peaks and valleys and our money goes up and down, but it's nice to have a base of money coming in. Now, first off, let me kind of explain what continuity is, and then I'll show you how to present it to your particular prospect. Continuity is when somebody pays you on a regular basis. Normally this is done on a monthly basis, but it could be done yearly, it could be done every 6 months. I like monthly. You don't want to really charge a high amount for continuity unless you have a product that's just fantastic, phenomenal. Some of the best continuity amounts will be maybe from $27 to $97 a month. And keep in mind that the lower that continuity payment is every month, the less the chance that that customer is going to cancel on you and you're going to not get those payments anymore. So I've seen them for $9.95, $19.95. The example I'm going to show you in just a second is for $27. So what is continuity and how could you work it into your business? Well, it could be worked into any business. I was at a dentist office the other day, and this particular dentist charged a continuity of $47 a month. But for that continuity, you would get discounts on dental work, teeth, stuff being pulled, whatever, caps, and you would get 2 free cleanings a year. So that's how he worked out his particular continuity. We have continuity for my online business training, okay? So there's courses there, and the courses have a lot of modules to it, so a person pays X number of dollars, $27, $47, whatever a month, and they have access to that. Now the thing you also want to do with continuity is add an additional thing, okay? So with my continuity, they're going to pay me $27 a month, but they're also going to get access to my private Facebook group. They're going to get weekly coaching calls. So just a little bit of icing on the cake will really help your continuity. If you just have one item, they say, well, I can do away with this one item here. I've already seen the videos. I've already gone through it. I really don't need it. But if you've added something like a weekly coaching call or some extra information or some special bonuses on your pricing, and that's something else you can do. If you're selling a product, you can say, hey, if you're a member of our club, you're paying $9 a month or $15 a month, you'll also get a 10 or 15% discount on anything you buy from us, okay? So that's kind of an overview of what continuity is. And what I'd like to do now is kind of walk you through all the steps of it so you can kind of see what it is. First off, I'm going to show you our continuity funnel here, and this is for a book. Okay, now this is a PDF book, so it's a digital book, so it doesn't really cost me any money. But the person in the beginning here is going to buy the book. The book is, I think, $5.60. Now, on top of the book, what I've done is I've added a bump, and I say, hey, for another $5 or $9, whatever I decide to choose, you can get the audio version of the book. And the majority of the people that get the book also buy the audio. So that's a great thing, okay? They have access to it on their phone or on their computer. So they have both of those items there. Now, as soon as that happens, I jump to my continuity here, okay? My continuity is a course, and that particular continuity is going to be $27 a month. Let me get over here so you can see this. It's going to be $27 a month. So this is going to be offered to them in the form of a video. Now, they've got 2 choices here. They can say, yeah, I want to get that. And it looks great, you get all these bonuses, and that would be the yes here. And we start building up these people, and all these people, as we start building them up, are paying me $27 a month, and that's great, because you can imagine if you have 100 people paying you $27 a month, right? $2,700, that's kind of nice, right? Or 1,000 people, okay, 27,000 people, or 10,000 people. So this can be really good to have this extra income coming in when you're selling your other products, and maybe it's seasonal or whatever. Now, the other choice they can make is no, I don't want to buy your continuity right now. I don't want to invest $27 a month. So what I do then is I send them to another page here, and this one here says, hey, I understand maybe you don't want to join up at $27 a month now. Maybe you're a little leery about it. Maybe you're not sure if it's for you. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. For $1, you can join $1, and then it's going to go to $27 a month. Now for $1, what I do is I set it up where they have free access for 7 days, okay? They don't have to pay the rest of this $27, and then after 7 days, it's going to bill them the remainder amount here, so that's going to be like 26 bucks, and then from that point forward, it's billing them $27, okay? And then if they say yes to this, it's going to go to say a $97 upsell of some other product. You can plug in whatever you want. If they say no to this, it's still going to go to that upsell. So I've got an opportunity to make money here, 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 and here, which is pretty cool, right? So let's look at the numbers here and how all this works out. Now, a lot of people will look at something like this, and if you're just selling a single item like this, you know, if you're running an ad and you're selling a single item, you're going to have a real hard time being profitable, because you're not going to get enough people buying this single item here to where you're going to make money. So this funnel of other things is really, really necessary for you to do. Now, let's kind of look at it. Let's assume that in this particular funnel that you're getting customers, but it cost you $35 to get a customer to go through and buy your course. And you're saying, well, I'm not really making any money. I mean, if I'm doing $5 here and, you know, $27 here, that's 32 bucks and it's costing me 35. JR, that's not good. Well, I understand what you're saying, but what you have to do is you have to look at the continuity, longevity, okay? So how long are they going to stay in your continuity? Now, some people will sign up for this. They'll totally forget it. They'll never look at the credit card statement, and I don't suggest you do that, but some people are going to be there forever, okay? Some people will sign up forever. Other people are going to get in here and look at this and say, well, you know, I've got what I want out of it, I'm going to go ahead and cancel now. And you got to let them cancel if they want to cancel. But let's assume that your longevity is 2.5. And what I mean by that is that they stay in there for 2.5 months, okay? Now, a particular month here would be $27. 2 times 27 is 54. So it's going to be more than 54, approximately. What do you got, 1350 there? So, you know, what's your customer value? Your customer value is $67.50, because you're going to get 2.5 payments on average, okay? So even though you're spending this $35 right here to get one of these people for your continuity program, you're actually going to be getting $67.50. Now, keep in mind, if you don't have the funds and if you don't have a lot of money, you know, you're going to have to go in the hole a little bit in the beginning here, okay? So, you know, that may not be the right thing for you, but understand that the money's coming down the road once you have your data. And the only way to figure out how long they're going to stay is what? Run them through this funnel here. You're going to have to spend some money on it. It's impossible, right, to make money online running ads or doing whatever you're doing without investing something. You know that. You got to invest something. But if you do this and you run them through this funnel here, guys, and you add this continuity, imagine, you know, this $27, right? It's only $27, but imagine it times 10 or times 100 or times 1,000. Okay, you can work this out times 10,000, right? There are people who have thousands and thousands of people paying them for this continuity, okay? And you don't have to have one continuity program, right? You could have several continuity programs. You could try different offers in here. You know, maybe this one works well, and that's great. If it works well, don't stop there. What you want to do is switch out and, you know, 50% it to another page and have a different offer and figure out which one of those offers work best. Or maybe change up your price here. Maybe you want to go to $19, okay? Maybe you would have enough people joining up to where you'd make up for the difference in the 19 and 27. Heck, go the other direction. If this is going well, switch them to another page and charge $47 for it. Maybe that extra $47, it doesn't even change how many people sign up and you make more money, okay? So here's my suggestion to you. If you're selling anything online, you definitely want to have continuity. And I didn't do it in the beginning. I can tell you that now. But I did finally start doing it, and I finally got wise to it and realized how much money can be made on this. Huge corporations do this, guys. And it's been going on for years and years and years. I remember as a kid, we would get these mailers, and for a penny, you could get into the book club, or you could get into the music club, or whatever it was. And then after that, they charged you every month. And that went on for years and years and years. And that was nothing more than a continuity program. It doesn't matter what kind of business you're in, right? Continuity will work for your business. Whether you're a dentist, whether you're selling survival food like me, whether you're selling courses like me, or anything else, continuity is a great thing. You can also present this like an inner circle where these people get a little bit more than everybody else gets when they buy a course, okay? So you could also present it that way. So I hope that explains it to you. I hope you try this in your business because it really works well. Those of you who need more information, I'll put a link in there. You can go to my webpage. You can also go to my Facebook group. If you would like to have a book on how to figure out what products to sell online. I'm going to put a link down there for you, and it's the 4 steps to find a successful product to sell online. You want to grab that too. By the way, that's the beginning of my funnel here. You'll get to see this whole thing there if you go through and grab that book. Hey, thanks a lot for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, subscribe, like this video. Make sure you comment below. If you comment below, I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have, and I'll see you real soon.